All right. First thing, I bought a comic book. What you're hearing over there is a video game they're playing. Anyway, I bought this comic book on auction. I don't know what's in here because I bid on a few. I think I paid $3 for it. So let's see. Let's open this up. Oh boy. Now, I got this on a local auction here in town. And they still insisted on shipping. I told you about that the other day. Try to get stuff that you can pick up if it's convenient for you. Some auctions, you know, will just deliver anyway, which is fine, I guess. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, very tight in here. Just a second. Well, I will say they packaged it really good. Oh, nice packaging. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, hey, I got this one. Okay, I got this because I love the old Hulk. And I know Hulk and Thor used to fight a lot. So this is one I bid on. And I believe these are the comics that are featured in this collection here. So let's flip through this just a little bit, guys. I have no idea what game they're playing. So, got to the middle here. Ooh, yeah, they did that in the movies. I have this Hulk figure, the old one. Don't believe there will be any fun sales in here. But I love the artwork and the older comics, you know. The new ones too, but a lot of the new ones don't have as much going on as these older comics do. What is going on up here with this guy? That's funny. Probably the only person to have ever flipped these pages open. Maybe I should leave it that way. Okay, I paid $3. I think with shipping, everything was like $5.50, $5.75. It was less than $6 for everything, just because they were in Houston. All right, so that's one thing we got. A cool comic. Turning into mystery numbers 110 to 119. All right. All right, so we got a comic. I know that. This also I paid $3 for, but this is from Far Away. Wait, shoot, I don't know what's in here. What's in here? What the heck? I don't know what this is, actually. I thought I knew what it was. What the hell is this? And why is my name on it? Huh. Looks like somebody ordered a couple cooling fans. It wasn't me. Huh. Babe, did you order clip-on cooling fans? These little cooling fans? There's like 2 of them here. Got 2 fans. I did buy these. So I can't get in trouble for this. So we got 1 comic book. I don't know. Maybe somebody made a mistake, I guess. I don't know. Let's look at some other stuff. You know what? We went ahead and opened these. This is actually a really good fan. Clip-on cooling fan. Look for that. This is info. It's actually blowing cold air like a little AC. This is wild. It's like pretty strong. I'm gonna keep it back here, man. So it's got a clip-on thing. Ah, neat. I'm gonna put you right here. Look at that. Maybe you can hear my fan now. I like it. And she got 2 of them. I think that's the brand. She may have got this off TikTok Shop, or the auction may have sent me something different. I don't know. Nobody's answering. Got the power on. Oh, it's at 50. Oh, 50 degrees. Oh my goodness. Wait, 72. Oh, it's 72. Okay, whatever. Don't take it. Stay there. I need to make a separate video on that. Goodness. All right, so not as much auction stuff as I thought this week. Let's see what else I got. Let me get this out of the way. Here's my little girl that I made. I'm still thinking about the little graveyard or something I'm gonna make with this girl. Here's her real head. Here's what I did to her. That looks pretty cool. I think I did a good job painting the blood, considering how small this thing is, too. You know, drawing the blood like that took a little time, a little patience. Something I don't have. Let's see here. All right, now I did not see the Mario Galaxy movie, but I saw this. I was at GameStop. And I thought, man, you know, I've been wanting to get Playsets again, because I have some Playsets. I got like Grayskull. I had a 4-foot tall bat cave. I traded that for some other things. And I saw this. You know, it came with some figures. And this looks kind of like, this top part looks like the ride entrance at Mario Land over in Florida. Kind of reminded me of that. Almost got a piano in there. Can you see? Maybe? There you go. Got the flag. I'm going to leave this one in the box. What the heck? Is that a picture of him? Like a portrait? Oh, he's just too cool, isn't he? In there. But I like the box. I liked everything about this. I hadn't seen it. Now, I've seen some other Mario Galaxy toys out there, but nothing like this. Oh, I didn't see that. This was the only one they had available. Piano chimes? Huh. You got all this cool stuff. Oh, there's another picture. The heck? I guess that's what he wants Mario to be. Oh, it's supposed to be a painting of him and Princess Peach. That's funny. What a maroon. What a goofball. Heat reveals stickers. Oh, okay. It kind of makes sense. It's a little observatory up at the top. That's what it looks like. That's this side of the box look like. Oh, yeah. He wishes, huh? Wait, how big is Yoshi? So little piano works. See these lights here. Are there lights in the eyes? No, they're just gold. They look good, though. So I'll pick this piece up. I got some other play sets and boxes, so I'm going to put this by those. So there's that. Okay, so that's going to do it for the quick little finds today. I've got another little video I'm going to put together. I'm going to unbox a couple things, though, so we can see what they look like. Those are things I got from, looks like half-price books. So thanks for watching. If you like collectibles, things like that, I get what I can. I don't go crazy. I run into people who are really into collecting, like just Hot Wheels and stuff. I run into them all the time. Man, I don't have a lot of Hot Wheels. I have some, but I do have a lot of other stuff. But I like I said, I get what I can. I try not to spend a lot. I'm always looking for a decent deal out there. And it's just fun to find these things out in the wild. So, like, subscribe, tell your friends. There's my little craft box stuff in there. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.